So I'm going to have a couple things going on in this video. There's going to be a bunch of different cuts. But first of all, I have a new subscriber. I actually met this one in person. I'm sorry, did I offend you? Am I wrong? Did that thing just blink? Okay, I don't know. But the person in question was talking about holding something in their mouth for a long time, and I was like, are you talking about the cinnamon challenge? No, I'm talking about the Cheeto challenge. So I told him about the cinnamon challenge, and for those of you that don't know, that's when you take a spoonful of cinnamon and you pop it in your mouth and you try and swallow it without dying and gagging. And no, I'm not going to do that. No. But his was to see how long you can hold a crunchy Cheeto in your mouth without it turning to mush. Okay, I mean, let's give it a try, right? Here I've got regular crunchy Cheetos. And let's go ahead and just go with 3. Give me a moment, and I'm going to turn on the stopwatch on my phone. And we're going to hit it off at... I really don't know how to do this. Well, I'm going to put that in my mouth. I'm sure Miss Cochran was having to let the juices flowing. And I remember him saying 20 seconds, so I'm at the 20-second mark. So, that was 40 seconds. And they didn't turn to mush until I actually started biting into them. Let's try it again with 2. And yes, I'm going to do the same thing with the flaming hot ones. And I've got something else. I'm not going to do the entire bag. I've got something else going on too. They maintained crunch. I'm still crunching them. For an entire minute, they stayed crunchy. So, let's go ahead. Flavor shouldn't really matter. However, we're dealing with the spicy ones. I've got some cola over here just in case. This one might be the challenge. Holding flaming hot Cheetos in your mouth for longer than 20 seconds. So, we already know that I'm sensitive to spicy stuff. Okay? 30 seconds. Let's go. Let's go for 30 seconds. Mmm. You can feel it in the tongue. The crunch. Mmm. Minute 8 seconds. Oh. Mmm. Okay. Okay. So we're done with this part. But there's something else I gotta do. So hold on a second. Oh God, no, he's in the kitchen again. What monstrosity could he be creating with Cheetos? First, oh, that might be a little much. I'm gonna use a little olive oil on my glass dish here. Let me see this camera real quick. Oh yeah, that'll be fine, that'll be fine. I take this, throw that away real quick. We're done with the oil. Put this off to the side for a moment. I got my little plastic dish here. And I'm gonna start crunchy Cheetos. Not entirely sure how much I need, but yeah. How about I pause this for a moment? You know, I thought better of it because you know somebody out there is gonna enjoy some Cheeto crunching ASMR. Anybody live in Santa Ana? The rain the last couple of days have been great, haven't they? Probably not nearly crunched up enough, but how's that look right there, huh? Okay, so I'm going to put this over here for a moment, and I'm going to bring my glass dish back in. Put my spoon over there. Now I've got some, about to make a damn mess all over the place, aren't I? Got me some great value chicken tenderloins I have left to defrost. I'm going to take those, and I'm going to dip them straight into the Cheetos. So crisp, an easier, cleaner way to do this. Got myself a separate dish here. Put that off to the side. Alright. Oh, okay. I thought I had 4 pieces of chicken in here. I only have 4. I only have 3. I'm gonna lay down a bed of crunchy hot Cheetos that I could rest on. There we go. Let's hang on to those for later, actually. Look at that. Is that not the absolutely most disgusting thing you have ever seen? Gordon Ramsay would be strangling me right now, wouldn't he? Though I'm probably sure he's seen worse. It's not quite wanting to stick. It's really more just sitting on top of the chicken. I know there's probably a much better way I could have prepared this, but exactly look at what I'm making here. Seriously, there's no. For what I'm making here, there is no other way to make it. This will be made as haphazardly and horribly and just what the hell are you making as possible. The elements are warming up. So how about we sit here a moment or two, wait for it to really get going. Let me put a few things away. So it occurred to me a little too late that maybe half an hour wasn't right because these were raw. But hey, they're not looking too bad so far, are they? Well, this has been an interesting morning, hasn't it? And here it is. So let me go ahead. The rice. I got it's rice with the pico de gallo, and God, I can't remember what kind of beans I have in here. But not only did I put the pepper and lemon pepper in the rice, but I also put on like some ginger tomato sauce. Really good. So here is the oven baked remnants of whatever crunchy bits didn't stay on top of. Not bad. The crunchy texture is there. Tastes more burnt than anything else. This piece right here lost a bit of the seasoning. But here we have a nice solid chunk with a bunch of the Cheetos on there. It tastes like chicken with Cheetos jammed onto it. And like the cheese flavor more or less got baked away. There is no cheese flavor. It is cooked, bland chicken. Good chicken. Good chicken. The chicken turned out really good. Nice and tender, juicy, but not too juicy. Let's go ahead and cut one in half to show you that, see, it's nice and white inside, all the way pink. I don't know if you can see this, but there's like a nice amount of steam coming off right now. That's really pretty. That's really freaking pretty right there. Some fresh, uncooked Cheetos directly on the rice would be nice. Okay. So let's go ahead and we'll try the spicy one. Again, it's nice and cooked all the way through. Not going to be getting any food poisoning from eating raw chicken here. Okay. The spiciness of the Flaming Hot Cheetos definitely lingers. And, it's actually pretty good. More so the rice is really good. But, like, the chicken and the crunchiness, there's a better way to make this. There's definitely... Now you can see me tearing this thing up. Well, we're good. We're good. Alright, so... Yeah, a little excited here. The rice. And I don't remember the kind of bean that I put on here. I'll put it down below. The kind of beans we got. As you saw, I took the Cheetos and I just ground them all up. I think putting them in the bag was a lot easier. And then I took the raw chicken and I just dipped it in there. Put oil in the dish and put it in there. I had it cooking a little bit longer than I should have. I should have put butter. No, that wouldn't have been a good idea. I don't know what I could have done to help the side crunchies to keep from burning. If I would have put butter on them, they would have just gone all soggy and shit. And that wouldn't have been any good. I'm going to try this again sometime. Alright. So this has been how long you can hold crunchy Cheetos in your mouth before they go too soggy. It can last upwards of a minute. So that's not bad. And this has been cooking of Cheetos chicken in the oven. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Bye-bye.